Hello, math students. Welcome back to our module on statistics. This is lesson 8, and it is called Describing Variability Using the Interquartile Range, or what we call it for short is the IQR. The goal for today we will describe the interquartile range of given data sets. The question that I want you to be thinking about in this lesson is, how does the interquartile range represent an expected interval of data? Things to know. Basically, what you need to know is the interquartile range, or the IQR, is directly related to the median. Whereas we learned in a couple lessons ago that the MAD, the mean absolute deviation, is directly related to the mean. So for MAD, you use mean. For IQR, or interquartile range, you use median. So things to know. What does the word quartile make you think of? Well, for me, when I see quartile, it makes me automatically think of 4. Okay, quartiles are determined by breaking a numerical range up into 4 equal-sized sections. Okay, let me read that again. Quartiles are determined by breaking a numerical range up into 4 equal-sized sections. So we're going to do that. But the first thing you have to know about using quartiles, your numbers have to be in numerical order because, again, we're working with the median. So down below, we have an example that we're going to practice so that I can teach you how to find the quartiles. So first, find the median of the data set. So right here, we have our dot plot, and this is our number line right here. So what we were taught in the last lesson and what we were thinking about previously is you have to write your numbers in numerical order, which I don't have them written yet, so we're going to do that right now. So I have 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2 2s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 3s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 3s, and then we have 3 4s, 1, 2, 3 4s, 1 5, 1 6, and 1 9. Okay, so that's our data set written in numerical order. And now it says first find the median of the data set and put a square around it. Okay, so to find the median, I go here and here, 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 and there it is right there. So I put a box around that one. So this guy right here is your median. Okay, then it says second, find the median of the data set from the median to the lowest data point. So we're going to look at the median to the lowest data point. So basically you do the same thing, but this time you work backwards. So I would take this one and this one, 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 and so I put an oval around the second median of the lower data points. And then third, find the median of the data set from the median to the highest data point. So I go here to here, here to here, here to here, here to here, and I put a triangle around that one. So the way I want to keep track of it so that we don't get confused is the median was 3. The median of the lower quartile, so median of lower quartile, that means the numbers below the median was 2. And then the median of the higher quartile is 4. Okay, and you can see that by putting those shapes around it. So the median was the rectangle, the median of the lower quartile was 2, and it was an oval, and then the median of the higher quartile was 4, and we put a triangle around it. And then if you take a look at our number lines, I went ahead and put them on there as well. So this is your lower quartile median. This is your median, and this is your higher quartile median. Okay, and so they're really not hard to find. The key to doing this correctly is you just have to make sure that you write the numbers in numerical order, and then you find the median of the first whole set, then you find the median of the lower set, then you find the median of the upper set. So to find the interquartile range, which is what we're seeking, because that's what IQR stands for, is interquartile range, you take the data point of the upper quartile, so 4, and find the distance to the lower quartile of the data set. So we're trying to find the difference between these two. So basically, you're going to take the upper quartile median, which is 4, and you are going to subtract the median of the lower quartile, which was 2. And when you do that, you get 4 minus 2, and you get 2 equals your IQR. Okay, so 2 equals your IQR. And why does your IQR equal 2? Because you took your upper minus your lower. Okay, and that's how you find the IQR. So just to recap what we're supposed to do, take all of your data points and write them in numerical order, then find your median, then from finding your median, find the median of the lower group of numbers, and then using your median again, find the median of the upper quartiles numbers. Then to find the range, you're taking the uppers minus the lowers, and you get your interquartile range. Okay, so IQR is really not that hard at all. It's just remembering to order. That seems to be the part that a lot of kids just actually forget. So you have to just make sure that you don't forget and you remember the last step of putting them in order first, finding the medians and all of the quartiles, and then subtracting the highest from the lowest. Okay, so let's try it. 12 kids read books over the summer. Here is a list of the number of books each student read. The number of books read over the summer were 8160396166394. All right, so first thing that you're going to try to do to find the interquartile range of the books read over summer is you put your data points in order from least to greatest. So the smallest number that I see is 0. Then I see a 1 and another 1. So I have my 0 done, my 1, and my 1. And then I would say the next smallest number looks like that it's going to be 3. And then I have another 3. And then I have a 4. And then I have a, looks like it's probably 6. And then another 6, right? 6 and 6. And then another 6 right there. And then it looks like it would be 8. And then it looks like it would be 9. And then it would be 9 again. So let's make sure we got them all. The way you check to see if you got them all is just count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, I got them all. So now it says find the median of the data set. So we're trying to find the median of the data set. So this is the first median of the whole thing. So remember how we do that is we start here, we take out this one and this one, takes out this one, and this one, this one, and this one, this one, and this one. And then remember what happens when we have 2. You add them together and you divide by 2. So 4 plus 6 equals 10 divided by 2. So the median is going to equal 5. Okay? So now we have that. And then it says find the median of the data set from the median to the lowest. So I'm going to go ahead and also just up here to help me, I'm going to write 5 because I'm supposed to go from the median to the lowest data point. So if I do that, then I'm going to say, okay, 5 and 0, 4 and 1, 3 and 1, and then I have the median here. So the median for the lower quartile, so median for the lower quartile is 3. Okay, so that wasn't so bad, right? Okay, now we have to do it for the upper. Find the median of the data set from the median to the highest point. Okay, so again, we have to use the median. So that one and that one, that one and that one, that one and that one, and then we have this guy, right? So then we found that the median for the higher quartile is 6. Okay, so that wasn't so bad, right? And then I have a number line here so that it can help you see it. So basically, we're just going to take that number line and we're going to say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and then if we are finding them, then we're going to say that our median was 5, our lower quartile was 3, and our upper quartile was 6. Okay, so then the last step that we're supposed to do is we're supposed to take the upper minus the lower, and so we have 6 minus 3 equals 3. So your IQR equals 3, and that's what you're looking for. Okay, so basically that means that the interquartile range of books read over the summer was 3. That was the interquartile range of books read over the summer. So nothing too difficult if you just remember the steps. Okay, so going back to our goal, today we will describe the interquartile range of given data sets, which we just did. How does the interquartile range represent an expected interval of data? The way that it describes an interquartile range is that it shows you what is the middle amount and then what is the middle amount of the lower group of numbers, and then what is the middle amount of the upper group of numbers in a data set. And then when you're trying to find the range, you take the upper minus the lower to give you a range of all of the values. Okay? All right, kiddos, that's all I have for you in today's lesson. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.